would go. We'd be there because we had so much fun there. It's just a lot of good times in there. And it's interesting. Each club you go to, well, each club we went to, same music. It was like the same music each club, but it was cool because that music, when when you feel that music going through your veins, it's like, this is good stuff. And so it could be wherever. That music started playing, it was the weirdest thing. The music would start playing. It could be in the mall, or it could be like, in the car or wherever. They'd play that music, and then we'd have those same good feelings of hanging out in those clubs. So we weren't in a club. We were just in a car or shopping. And then that music would start playing. And we'd feel that vibe, and we'd look at each other and be like, yeah. So